You are never gonna believe it. I'm just kidding. But we are doing a Buffy Summers tutorial. Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Finally, a lot of you guys have been wondering where the heck my Buffy looks are. And it's been hard. I've been trying to figure out the right time and everything. So I am doing a Buffy hair tutorial. So I'm gonna do I picked a few of my favorite Buffy looks, and I got a lot of these inspirations from this Instagram called Buffy's Patrolling. So huge shout out to them. They have a lot of really great Buffy pictures, and I would not have been able to gather the inspiration without them. When you're watching Buffy, like, all I am looking at is her clothes, so I'm definitely doing a lookbook. If it's not up already, then it will be. I am going to do this is going to be a series of hair looks, as you saw in the intro. My favorite Sarah Michelle Gellar Buffy hair looks, her famous 90s looks, and that's all I'm going to do is recreate the hair. We may not look like Sarah Michelle Gellar, but our hair can, so let's get started. Now for this first hairstyle particularly, I was so obsessed with this picture right here, and she just always looks so amazing in the show. I love this show. It was such a good show. But I just really loved the wavy hair look. All the other hairstyles I picked are rather simple, so this one is the hardest one. And what I'm going to use to achieve this look is the FOXYBAE Rose Gold Triple Waver. Really cool swivel cord. Absolutely love it, you guys. You need this in your life. I'm just telling you that this is the best waver that I've ever used. It really is. It just does the job so quickly. And when you just want cute little crimp curls, like, it does it really fast too. And that's what we're gonna do. We're not gonna get too crazy. I do want it to be a little more structured on the bottom. And then towards the top, it's gonna get less and less wavy. And you really need to put heat protectant on your hair, so I'm going to be using the Cool AF heat protectant spray all over my head so we can get started with this 90s wavy Buffy look. So just make sure your hair is all evenly coated with the heat protectant spray. So I have mine set at 380 degrees. Okay, well, let's get started. So I'm just going to section it off, and I'm going to quickly show you how this works and then just go through it really quick because we have a lot of hairstyles to cover in this video, and I don't want to take too long on one. So this can handle a lot of hair, but what I typically do is I'll just take it like so and then run it down, and we're going to do this all over our head to get that 90s Buffy look that I just showed you guys in the picture. So what I do is I flip it and then rotate it, and then when I get towards the end, I'll clip it again. It's super fast, super easy, and you can actually take a lot of hair, and as you can see, it works like a charm and gives you really great crimps. Really great crimpy waves. So same on this side. Each FOXYBAE tool does come with a glove as well. This is not sponsored at all. I saw her hairstyle and I knew I had to use this tool. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly say that. Now we're just going to go through the entire hair, and I'm just going to show you how to style it in the end. Okay, at the halfway point, it should be looking wavy like this. We're just gonna do the final pieces, which is just the pieces here at the top. You can take really large sections because It doesn't look like her hair is as wavy at this point. Okay, so after your hair is waved, it should look like this. It's very pretty. I'm lucky that I have the exact same length as Buffy. I'm really glad my hair isn't any longer, but it's so easy. So what you're gonna do is just keep like some of these pieces out. Make sure the front pieces are, I might need to recrimp that piece because it doesn't look as good. And then just take a few pieces that we're gonna bop right now. Okay, so this looks like a good amount of hair, about like this, and I do have a clip like this that I'm going to seal it. So what you do to get that bump is you grab the hair and you're just going to twist, and that's it. And then you're gonna seal it in place with whatever clip you have. You could use a bobby pin if you want, but I like these things right here because it holds it down right here because it doesn't look as crimped. There we go. Fluff out the back. You can tease the back so it looks like it has as much volume as Buffy's. And then she also has it tucked behind her ears like this. And that is the first Buffy inspired hairstyle. First two hairstyles you saw me had like the wavy crimpy hair. Now these are more of her twist hairstyles that were super popular in the 90s, and I have all kinds of barrettes here and little things that we can play with. So this is going to be the next hairstyle we're doing, and like I said, I will be showing you how to flip your hair in a little bit, but make sure you do have straight hair where you flip it out, and I will show you how to do that just in case you need some guidance. But the first hairstyle is fairly easy. The accessory you're going to want to use is some sort of a flower. I have this one, or you can use a flower barrette or something. I'm also going to show you how it looks like with these flower clips. Make sure that your hair is parted mostly more towards the side, like so. And your hair is like behind the ear and whatnot. So just make sure that you have your hair slicked off to the side. And she has like this really cute purple outfit here, but I'm not gonna change for every single hairstyle. So yeah, make sure it's like that. And to really seal off the side, I'm going to take the flower. And then all you need to do is just grab all your hair, and then you're just gonna twist the hair. So just grab, this is what I'm saying, you really need to make sure your hair is straight, and you'll just twist it up like this. And then with your claw clip, seal it together. But I just wanted to show you real quick how it looks like with the flower clip. And I have this cute one right here that I got from Joann's. This one isn't as noticeable as the flower. It doesn't make as big as a statement, but I still think it's cute. Okay, so the next hairstyle we're gonna do is basically the same thing. Like, you wanna keep it in this like twist, maybe bring it up higher, like just take the claw and bring it up higher like so, and just pull out your bangs if you have any. If you don't, no worries, there's always clip-on bangs. I have bangs, I cut them last fall, but this is probably one of my favorite hairstyles. It's super 90s, but you are gonna wanna take some type of tool like this just to curve the ends, or you can use a straightener too, just so the waterfall hair is more like a waterfall and it's not sticking up all crazy. So also make sure you have some type of butterfly clips or any kind of butterfly. I got these also at Joann's. Joann's is great because they have all types of accessories. So I'm just gonna put one of these butterflies in my hair right here to do this Buffy look. And that is the second look.